Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If I can get you to do two things before this video ends. One, subscribe. Two, if you like the content within this video, hit that like button. And let's push forward. Oh, thanks for staying with me guys. Today I'm featuring a 1912 American motor car. It is one of a kind. Let's take a walk around this vehicle. This vehicle comes with a 4-cylinder inline engine which produces 120 horsepower. Yes, back then 120 horsepower was considered to be powerful. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. And keep pushing forward.